Hey guys, what's up? My name is Kesley. I am from Provo, Utah, but right now I'm living in Rexburg, Idaho, going to school. I'm just taking this class online. This is my second semester. I'm studying communications with an emphasis in public relations. This is just me and my best friend at high school graduation. I did cheer, student gov, and dance in high school. I've loved to dance. I've danced my whole life. Some random things about me. I love Disneyland. Favorite place ever. Got to go there this past summer. On my girlfriend's like senior trip. Super fun. There's Tigger. I am totally obsessed with dogs. I mean, all kind, big, little, but this is my little dog, little Yorkie. His name is Bentley. Totally love him. Totally miss him at school. Wish I could bring him here with me. My favorite TV show is Friends. I've for sure been through it and Netflix binged it way too much. But I got to go on like Universal Studios tour, and this is like the set of Friends Central Perk, which was so fun. This is super lame because I have Instagram pulled up, but just ignore that. I love any kind of animals. I was obsessed with penguins forever, and I got to go on like a little meet and greet with the penguins at the aquarium in Utah, which was so fun. So this is me feeding a penguin a little fish. Like I think I said, I like to dance. I also like anything outdoors. Hiking's always fun. This is in Moab, where we went like kayaking and hiking and all that fun stuff. But anyway, I am just super excited for this class. I'm a communications major. I don't remember if I already said that. I'm doing public relations. My dream is to own my own business one day. So see how that happens. But I'd also love to do PR and advertising, social media, all that fun stuff.